Hey guys, welcome to Gabrianism. So today I'm going to play this game called as Fury Road Survivors. Yeah, it's about the movie Mad Max Fury Road. It's also made by Tiny Games. Okay. So right now I'm riding a car. Uh, let's go to the toxic wastes. Okay, if you guys want to see Furiosa's rig, it would be definitely yes, right? She's right, kind of cool, right? Yeah, if you want to see her, just put yes in the comments, and if you don't want to, just don't put anything. Okay, so I'm going to get. So where are the buzzards? Yeah, I mean where is also Immortan Joe actually, a Rictus, a Furiosa. Whoa, 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 whoa! Did I just? Wait. Whoa, 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 whoa. 77. Go. So guys, I'm actually riding a common vehicle. That doesn't mean I'm a noob. Okay. Plus I got wasted. Yeah, I died actually. Yeah. Speaking about that, actually I'm not a noob. Okay. I'm actually like some pro, but I'm not a hacker or god. Yeah, because I just keep on uninstalling it. Yeah, it keeps on asking me something, so I keep on uninstalling it. So like I don't get the same vehicle, so you don't need any username or something for this. Like you need to log in like Roblox or Fortnite. Yeah, speaking about these like games, yeah, just check out like oh my god, yeah, but no time to speak about that things right now. Okay, by the way, I want to show you guys Furiosa 3. I just saw it, at the spawn point. See? Yeah, she just thrashed it there. Oh my god, don't get busted, that guy. Is that Big Mouth? Yeah, I just call him Big Mouth because, oh my god, that's in real Furiosa. I thought Furiosa traded this guy named Immortan Joe. Yeah, I thought she traded him, but now I don't understand who's riding Furiosa Rig. Is it Nux or Max or somebody? Of course, it can't be Nux. Okay, here we go again. Okay, here's a small activity for you guys. Yeah, in the comments, please put which Mad Max Fury Road character do you like Nux, Furiosa, or Max? Okay. Yeah. Rock and roll rules. Okay, where is it? Yeah, this car is kind of like hard to control it, maybe. Yeah, because right now it's actually so hard to control it. Yeah, it even slips in the mud, okay. It doesn't get stuck. Okay, over the toxic. This chapter, whoa. So escape as fast as you can is the 13. Okay, go near that guy. I don't want to kill him. Okay. Oh my god. No! Not Furious as oh. Two guys. Oh my god. Furious as rig. How many rigs are there for Furious even? Did they just blast? Yeah, I did. Okay. Almost 1,000. Okay. Yeah. For free price, I'm gonna get that much cash. Yeah, do you know, guys? In every game like Fortnite, there's actually like V-Bucks, which are actually like cash, like coins. Yeah, but right here, it's actually oil is cash, oil is time, oil is money. So each at the right corner on top, do you see one? Wait, did I just tip over? Do you guys see one? Do you guys see one 95 there? Yeah, that's the coins. That much I have. So these blue things are only coins. Okay, but right now I have to escape right now. Did that guy just bust me? Oh my god.